The power of quiet influence. Have you ever been in a room where one person doesn't say much, but when they do, everyone leans in to listen? They aren't the loudest, but they're the most heard. They don't seek attention, yet they're magnetic. What if I told you that this isn't a personality trait you're born with, but a skill? A skill that was mastered over 2,000 years ago by philosophers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. Welcome, everyone. In this video, we are not just learning communication hacks. We are learning a new operating system for how we present ourselves to the world. We are diving into the Stoic art of attraction. Today, you will learn how to use the core principles of Stoicism to become a more compelling, confident, and attractive person. Not by learning what to say, but by mastering when to speak, what to hold back, and the immense power that comes from a calm, centered presence. By the end of this video masterclass, you'll have a framework to project unshakable confidence without saying a word. Make your words carry immense weight and value. Pillar 1. Cultivate an inner citadel, the foundation of presence. Before you utter a single word, you are communicating. Your posture, your eye contact, the calmness in your eyes, this is your nonverbal resume. The Stoics called this your inner citadel, a fortress of calm and self-control that cannot be shaken by external events. Practical technique 1. The Stoic posture. Marcus Aurelius said, "Let the quality of your actions be your identity." Carry yourself like someone who has everything under control. Stand tall, shoulders back, head level. This isn't about arrogance. It's about owning your space. It signals confidence to others and, more importantly, build deep, instant rapport through focused listening. Attract the right people in business, friendship, and love by being authentically you. Stick with me. This is not about manipulation. This is about cultivation. Let's begin. To your own brain. Practical technique 2. The pause of Epictetus. Epictetus taught, we have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak. Before you respond in any conversation, take a deliberate 2-second pause. This does 2 powerful things. First, it prevents you from reacting impulsively and saying something foolish. Second, it makes you appear thoughtful and considered. Your silence becomes a vacuum that pulls people in. Pillar 2. Speak with purpose and precision. The power of fewer words. Now, let's talk about the words themselves. Stoicism is about removing the non-essential. Seneca warned against the chaos of a cluttered mind and a cluttered tongue. When you speak, your words should be like a sharp sword, precise, effective, and used only when necessary. Practical technique 3. Is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? Filter. Before you speak, run your words through this triple filter. If what you're about to say doesn't pass at least 2 of these tests, do not say it. Gossip? Unnecessary. A witty but cruel put down? Unkind. This filter immediately elevates your conversation, making every word you do say valuable and respected. Practical technique 4. The power of the open question. Instead of talking about yourself, ask profound, open-ended questions. Not, did you have a good weekend? But what's something you're excited about right now? Or what's a challenge you're overcoming? This does the attraction work for you. You become associated with the positive feelings someone has when they talk about their passions. You are the catalyst for their own insight. This is deeply attractive. Pillar 3. Master active, Stoic listening, the ultimate attraction tool. This is the most important pillar. Most people don't listen to understand. They listen to reply. Stoic listening is an active, generous practice. It's about giving someone the gift of your full attention in a distracted world. Practical technique 5. Listen to understand, not to respond. When someone is speaking, your only job is to fully comprehend their world. Silently ask yourself, what is the core emotion behind what they're saying? What is their underlying need? When you do this, your responses will naturally be more empathetic and insightful. Practical technique 6. The summary and validate method. After they've finished a thought, summarize what you heard and validate the emotion. For example, so it sounds like you felt really frustrated because your hard work wasn't recognized. That makes complete sense. This simple act makes a person feel truly seen and heard, a rare and magnetic experience. Pillar 4. Embrace unshakable virtue, the long game attraction. Finally, we come to the core of Stoicism, virtue. Your character is your most powerful attractor. Charisma fades, but integrity, wisdom, courage, and justice are timelessly attractive. Practical Technique 7. Let your actions advertise your character. Don't tell people you are honest, reliable, or courageous. Be those things consistently. Show up on time. Keep your promises. Stand up for what's right, even when it's inconvenient. People are drawn to those whose inner and outer worlds are in alignment. This builds trust, and trust is the foundation of all strong attraction. Practical Technique 8. Practice a more fatty love of your fate. Carry an attitude of accepting and making the best of any situation. When things go wrong, instead of complaining, you calmly adapt. This is incredibly attractive because it shows you are a source of stability, not drama. You become the calm in other people's storms. So there you have it. The Stoic art of attraction isn't about a clever pickup line or a manipulative trick. It's about building a formidable character from the inside out. We covered your inner citadel, projecting calm through posture and purposeful pauses. Purposeful speech, using the triple filter and powerful questions to make your words count. Stoic listening, making others feel seen and understood. Unshakable virtue, letting your consistent character be your loudest message. This is a lifelong practice, but you have to start somewhere. Here is my challenge to you. For the next 7 days, I want you to focus on just one of these pillars each day. Day 1 and 2, focus on your inner citadel. Practice your posture and the 2-second pause in every conversation. Day 3 and 4, focus on purposeful speech. Use the true, necessary kind filter relentlessly. Day 5 and 6, focus on stoic listening. In one conversation each day, make it your goal to speak less than 30% of the time. Day 7, synthesize it all. Embrace virtue. Intentionally perform one small, virtuous act without telling anyone about it. If this video added value to your life, do the most stoic thing you can do for this channel. Like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell. It helps us spread these timeless principles to more people. In the comments, tell me which of the 4 pillars you find most challenging. Is it listening or speaking with purpose? Let's start a discussion. I'll be reading and responding. Remember, as Marcus Aurelius wrote, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. And I would add, the quality of your connections depends on the quality of your communication. Thank you for investing this time in yourself. Go out there, speak less, and mean more. I'll see you in the next video.